Hello and happy Friday. Allure Magazine just released an e-blog a couple of days ago that's so important I have to jump in on this. It turns out they were doing a report that was kind of based on some stories shared by Dr. Theda Contis, who is our past president of the American Academy of Facioplastic and Reconstructive Surgery. And what Theda was talking about was how at a number of different national and international meetings, she's been posing the same question specifically when she's up at the podium. And her question is this: how many of you are seeing complications of patients who have injected themselves? And it turns out nowadays, everybody in the room has raised their hand. All of the surgeons have raised their hand. I have seen this as well for patients that have done some things that they really just should not have done. Well, why is this an issue? Well, obviously the first issue is there's not a medical degree behind any of this. There's not expertise behind any of these injections. And these stories about people going down, and one of the stories shared was somebody who went down to Atlanta to had her friend inject her lip. And of course, the lip got injected into the vessel that serves the lip, and they almost lost their lip in the process. The other issue is there's no way to corroborate what is actually in these products. Now, for us to use these products, for us to even purchase these products, we have to buy them from the vendors here in the United States. If we even try to buy them from, let's say, a formulary or a dispensing system in Canada, the companies won't even stand behind these products. So even for us, in the most controlled of settings, in the most controlled of environments, we have to make sure we're following all the protocols. So the bottom line is this: if you are considering trying to do this, if you have done this, please do not do that. The complications can be dire. You can have infections, you can actually lose tissue. And under those circumstances, we want to be able to provide you with the best, most natural results. So please don't consider doing any injections on your own self.